What up, Trusted Signals? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna go over the new launch that is currently active, phase 2 with Trusted Signals. We've relaunched our website, now enabling new users to sign up. We maxed out the capacity and the amount of users able to use our services, but now we've done updates to our system and taking on 100 new users. So in this video, I'm gonna go over the changes that was made to our website and break down everything on phase 2. But before we carry on, please do like and subscribe, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and enjoy this video. Let's go! All right, welcome back. Let's go ahead and dive into this. Here we have Trusted Signals, the new official website. This is the update that was made to Trusted Signals, which is going to allow 100 users sign up to our platform. When you first get to our website, it's the basic unlock access message. You can click this button and it'll take you directly to the premium membership. We have already increased our lifetime price, and soon we will also increase our monthly membership price to $159, the original price. So getting it at $99 today for our first 100 users, you get to lock in this monthly price. Because after this 100 users, we're gonna again up the pricing to $159. So I highly suggest for you to make this move before it's too late. Here in the membership window, you can choose which one of our memberships best suits you. We have our lifetime membership, which is at $9.99 at these next 100 users. And after this, we're going to bring it up to $2,500. So I highly suggest for you to make this happen before prices go up. Then our monthly, which is currently at $99, we're gonna lift it to $159 after these first 100 users. And the yearly membership is at $599. This one is gonna go to $999 after these first 100 users. So secure your spot before you miss out on this opportunity, which gives you access to our VIP Discord, 9 indicators with 20 built-in tools. So in TradingView, you're only limited to a certain amount of tools and indicators. So you could have a free account on TradingView, use our membership, and get access to all these built-in tools. So we also have real-time buy and sell alerts, 11-in-1 divergence oscillator, market dashboard, doji scalper, tweezer top support and resistance, and more. I'm gonna go back to our homepage so you can see more about the website. When you scroll down, we have basic information about our tools and what our tools provide. A bunch of information on why to choose Trusted Signals. I highly advise for you to check out our website, see all the information. You can even see what our indicators do and see the exact key features that we supply our members. We have 9 indicators with 20 different tools. Each one of our tools has different settings, which is going to upgrade your trading to give you a system with an edge over the financial markets. And if you keep scrolling down, you can see the information on how many years of experience we have, the amount of traders using Trusted Signals, and how many countries Trusted Signals is available on. Here's just a few things on our Discord page. We have people posting their profits, a Robinhood trader, a Forex trader, people showing their profits and their success in our Discord chat. So this is all in one. You have a community that's going to share their experience, that is also going to provide trade ideas. It's really an all-in-one package. Now, to all those people who signed up for a lifetime prior phase 2 launch, you guys locked in the lifetime before it was raised. Now we have the lifetime for $9.99, which gives you access for life. Now we also have a yearly membership, which is brand new, and we added this extra feature for those who are looking for a yearly membership. Now lastly is our monthly membership at $99. And you could see on our Discord chat users that have publicated them getting this $99 back in one trade. So it's extremely worth it. But like I said, if you want to save money, you could go for the yearly membership, or for the lifetime membership. If you keep scrolling down, you have basic questions. Does it work on stocks or cryptos? How long does it take to get access after purchasing? Will the price of my subscription change? So these are basic questions that you could find on our website. And here we have a nice message that our main goal is to help you become a profitable trader. And this is why we started Trusted Signals. It's user-friendly and it gives people the confidence and confirmation needed to enter and exit the market at the right precise moment. Here in the setup and guide, you could find features and guide. When opening this window, you can see setting up indicator in TradingView, which breaks down step by step how to set up Trusted Signals, which we also do have a YouTube tutorial on how to set up Trusted Signals after purchase. So if you haven't seen that video or need to see that information and rather see a video, we have that available to you. And we also have information on our buy and sell indicator, our market dashboard, 9-in-1 divergence oscillator, all the questions that you're looking for to have a good read and all the information about Trusted Signals and our tools. You could also check out our 24/7 live demo that we have on YouTube. So when you click this link, it's going to direct you to our YouTube channel. And if you simply just want to join our Discord chat for absolutely free, get in communication to all of our users, see the trade ideas that's publicated, see the profits of our users, see what people say firsthand about their opinion and experience using Trusted Signals. Just simply click join Discord and it's going to direct you to our Discord chat. And lastly, our about page, which leads you right back to our homepage with all information about Trusted Signals. And to wrap up this video, I'm proudly to announce that Trusted Signals is currently working on 2 new indicators. And as soon as it's available to launch, we will publicate it and let everybody know the 2 new tools that's going to be added to the trade arsenal with Trusted Signals. I can't tell you what it is just yet. It's right now in testing, but pretty soon we will announce the 2 new indicators for all of our members. I hope everyone enjoyed this video and thank you so much for being a part of Trusted Signals. So Trusted Signals family, let's go!